Hi guys, so another example of naming alkanes, you have this other type of representation, zigzag lines. Remember, each vertex is supposed to be a carbon with fulfilled number of bonds with hydrogen. So each vertex or each end of the line is telling you that you have carbon atoms and hydrogens, okay? So naming hydrocarbon like this, you're gonna have to count and define where is the longest carbon atom chain. You might think, oh, I'm gonna go sideways or I'm just gonna count them all. The way that you're gonna name a compound is finding the longest consecutive carbon atom chain. This molecule is very symmetric, so it doesn't matter if you start from the bottom or you start from the top. But the thing to identify is that you have 6 carbon atoms, which is going to correspond to a hexane. Then what is branching out of this hexane? I have this group here, and I have this group here, which is only 1 carbon atom. So those 2 groups are going to be methyl groups. And they are in position 2 and 5. So 2,5. The next thing that I need to tell is that those methyl groups are separate, so each one has to be accounted separately. So I need to add the prefix di to the word methyl. And then I have these 2 carbons here and 2 carbons here. So whenever we have 2 carbon atoms, we have the name ethyl. And both ethyl groups are branching out of the same carbon atom, which is carbon atom number 3. I need to indicate that I have 2 substituents branching out of the same carbon by doubling the number. And then again, I need to add the prefix di. So this is all the components of the alkane. So now I need to arrange them. All the branching groups are going to go before the parent name. I need to decide which one to put first. The way that you decide is by actually taking into account the letter of the number of carbon atoms. So you're going to arrange them alphabetically based on the number of carbon atoms. So I have ethyl and methyl. Alphabetically, ethyl goes first and then methyl. So the whole name for this compound is 3,3-diethyl-25-dimethyl-hexane. You don't say the dashes or the commas, but I'm emphasizing because always numbers are separated by commas, number and letters are separate by dashes. So the name is 3,3-diethyl-25-dimethyl-hexane.